Ooh, I think this is the blue Coolio. Blue Coolio. Ooh, we got the purple and yellow muffin. Mini muffin. Very cute. Ooh, this one feels like a big one. Oh, we got the other licorice. Awesome. There's the other one. Yay. All right. Oh, this looks like broccoli. It's Rockin' Brock, and he has a guitar there, rocking out. Oh, we got another Rockin' Brock. All right, that's our first double. Pretty good so far. Oh, this looks like the salt shaker. I think it is Sally Shakes. She has a little pretzel there. Very cute. Ooh, this is chocolate milk. I think this is Flava Ava. Got the chocolate version. We got the strawberry version earlier. Cute. Oh, I love Shopkins so much. They are so adorable. This is yogurty, I think. Let me check. That's what it says. It says yogurt on his head over there. Or her head. It's in the dairy aisle. It's called Gertie. Gertie the yogurt. Ooh, we got the pink strawberry. Strawberry, I think it's called Strawberry Kiss. Yes, it's Strawberry Kiss, the pink one. And earlier we got this green one. Yay! This one feels big. Let's see. Ooh, it's a chocolate bar. And he's called Cheeky Chocolate. Oh, so cute. Has a little heart up there. Adorable. Oh, this looks like ketchup, and it looks like it belongs in the pantry group. Pantry group, and it's called Tommy Ketchup, and it's the red one. Ooh, we got another Gertie yogurt. Same color. So that's our second double. Ooh, Bricky Crunch. Do we have? Yeah, we got the green one. This one's the blue one. Awesome. There you go. Hey. All right. Ooh, this feels like the licorice one. Oh, it's really big. Okay. Yep, it's another green and pink licorice. Cool. All right. Ooh, it's a hot dog. I think this is a party food. It's called Frankfurter. Very cute. There's the toppings. Oops. Oh, we got another blue and yellow bread head with pink glasses. Cute. Oh, we got the, yep, we already have this one. The yellow chocolate bar. There you go. Oh, and another blue Gertie yogurt. Starting to get doubles, oh no. All right, this one, we already got this one too. The little sweetheart candy kisses. So far no ultra rares. Ooh, what is this? This is a drink. Not quite sure which group it belongs in. Let me check for you guys. Oh, it's Little Sipper. It's in the party food section. Cute little umbrella there. Ooh, we got another Ava Flava, or Flava Ava. Yeah, Flava Ava in pink. Ooh, we got a hairbrush. I'm pretty sure this belongs in Health and Beauty. And her name's Curly. She's so cute. She has a little lock of hair over there. Adorable. Alright. And I think this is Shampy shampoo, and it's the white one. Yep, it's Shampy the shampoo. Belongs in the Health and Beauty section. Very cute. Ooh, it's the yellow cheesecake. We don't have this one yet. Cheesecake. Very cute. Their toppings. Awesome. And we got a yellow cheeseburger. We don't already have that one. We got the orange one earlier. And Cheesy Bee it's called. There you see them both. Cute. Alright. Oh, and we got another Strawberry Kiss, the pink one. Very cute. Oh, we got another hot dog, Frankfurter. Down to the last few bags. Hopefully get at least one ultra rare. Oh, got another yellow cheesecake. Ooh, we got a pineapple, the yellow pineapple. And he's called Pineapple Crush. And that's obviously in the fruit and vegetables group. Cute. I love pineapples. It's my favorite fruit. Okay, oh, we got another licorice. So this is our second white and pink and black licorice. Ooh, this looks like a licorice too. Oh, but it's called Miss Twist. So it looks like those Twizzlers. It's a green Twizzler. Miss Twist. Cute. Ooh, we got another white Shampy. The last four, I believe. Oh, do we already have this one? Yes, we do. We got a double of Curly. she's cute. I don't mind. Last 3. Give me a rare. Or a super rare. Ultra rare. Oh, we got another one of these drinks. Little Sipper. Alright. Oh, we got another pink Flava Ava. Moo. And our very last blind bag. Give me something different. Oh, we got a green toothbrush. Tooths. So here it is, guys, the Shopkins I got from today's blind bag opening. My favorite has to be Pineapple Crush. Cute little flower there. And Jelly Bee, holding 2 cute little jelly beans. I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to go out and get more Shopkins baskets. These are so fun to open, so please stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe so you know when my next video is coming out. Comment below to let me know which one's your favorite Shopkins, and like this video if you love Shopkins. I'll see you guys next time on Unbox Me Toys.